This is the intro to the video. That is all. We're out here.
Yeah, pretty much. We're out here, and as you just would have thought, Richard just gave you guys the intro. Here we are at Garden Falls. Hey, that was good. Yeah, it was pretty good. There's a lot of flow going through there. We decided not to swim because it's cold.
It's freezing.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely a nice spot. Would probably recommend anyone coming here.
Yeah.
In summer. Hey,
how's it going?
We can't come up to Maleny and Montville without stopping at this lookout. Definitely one of the better ones up here. We'll see how good the views are today. I'll show you guys right now. I hear you've been training Richard how to do parkour. Is that right? Yeah, bye. You're a bit of a turkey, I see.
He's literally a turkey. Trained. No, I did not get trained. I just did it.
Richard's so good at parkour because he got trained by a turkey.
Gobble gobble.
We're hiking down to Condilla Falls, if I say that right. I don't think I've ever said this one right. But we've got a little waterfall just at the start here. Really has been doing good, all this rain. Doesn't help my English though.
Yeah, good job.
Nice little view.
So nice.
Yeah.
I said that last time, I think.
You did.
Remains true.
Yeah. Alright, we're just turned off the main circuit now and down towards the bottom.
We're out here.
Alright, we're coming up to the waterfall now, or one of the first lookouts of it anyway. Flowing pretty good. Go around the corner, you guys get your first shot of this awesome little waterfall we got here.
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice indeed. I don't think it's flowing that much better than last time.
Really? Is
No.
I remember you climbed up there last time.
Yeah. Went up there a little bit more.
Guys.
Hey guys, it's really dark.
It got lighter for me because I took my sunnies off.
Well, that would help. You realised you couldn't see.
Yep, well I could before, it was bright.
Well, I guess that's why they call it Rainforrest, hey Richard?
Oh, you did not. You turned the camera on just for that.
Honestly, this is at the top of Condilla Falls.
Yeah.
And what a bad little swimming hole. I'd probably swim in there.
Down there, didn't we? But it's too slippery now.
Yeah, definitely.
And he goes. What?
Hey, it's warm.
It's not warm.
It's so warm. You should jump in here.
Yeah, that's freezing, I guarantee it.
You should 100% jump in here. Look how warm it is, Richard.
I don't buy it.
I just can't feel any of my limbs. It's so warm.
It's cold.
Hello. Are you going to make me flip this footage?
Yep.
Oh, damn.
I can't do that one. What do you have to say?
I have to say, thanks Richard for making me flip this footage.
Yeah.
This is actually a really nice little swimming hole.
Oh yeah?
I actually say it's probably nicer than Garden Falls.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Garden Falls is more dodgy.
For swimming, I reckon this is nicer.
Yeah.
Probably less people here, I'd imagine too. A little bit of a hike in, less people know about it.
You got to do something to get to it.
Yeah. Not bad. Here we go, Rich is gonna
do it.
And we didn't even have to give him 100 likes.
120,000 likes.
That's what this is for.
Oh, that's cold. Okay, give me a minute to climb the side.
There's no way he's doing it.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
It's so much colder than what it was when I first hopped in.
It's like the rain has gotten so cold now. I'm gonna get wet anyway, so I might as well go in. Oh, that's so cold.
It is, isn't it? But it's not as cold as that last one. That really cold one.
Oh. Regret. Lots of regret. Hello everyone, it's a bit cold. Jason's gonna swim back.
We want to get filming under the water. I'm going to swim really quickly and stuff, but it's cold.
So cold. I'm gonna put our stuff in the shade, in the cover.
Yeah. So it gets dark.
Yep.